Welcome back. I'm Sakal Bhatt and this is Republic TV, India's #1 news channel. The big breaking coming in from Jammu Kashmir. IG Munir Khan telling media that how the local workers who go to Kashmir in the pretext of work are actually taken on the Lashkar cadre. And the most important news coming in that Lashkari's top aide Sandeep alias Adil has been apprehended by Jammu Kashmir police. This is being considered a massive breakthrough because that is going to provide more important linkages. Terrorists arrested by JK police, and Republic has learned that the Uttar Pradesh police has also sought details about the case from Jammu Kashmir police because Sandeep alias Adil belongs to Uttar Pradesh. That's the news coming in, and mainly about the Lashkar's accomplice criminal Sandeep alias Adil. Now, cops have to still ascertain as far as his whereabouts and his address in Uttar Pradesh is considered. But IG Munir Khan has also informed that he is going to hold on a very big and comprehensive press conference later in this month, and in fact in that presser he also at length describes how the LET cadre in the Kashmir Valley are taking help from the criminals to carry out their activities, and especially activities pertaining to the looting of ATMs and banks. And now let's quickly go across to our Jammu Kashmir correspondent Zeenat, who continues to keep track of developments there, joining us on this story. Zeenat, just to briefly describe the basic takeaways of this presser, which is currently underway. It's considered a massive breakthrough for Jammu Kashmir police. The modus operandi when it comes to looting the ATMs and how they are actually in hand in gloves with the local criminals who come to Valley in the pretext of work. Zeenat.
Yes, absolutely. This is a very important press conference that was headed by the IGP Kashmir Munir Khan. Here he divulged details about one of the he has joined the LET outfit recently, and he was also working as an OGW of the LET. Basically, this Sandeep Kumar, whose alias Adil is basically from the UP, who has come to Kashmir in 2012 and was involved in small criminal activities like looting and then theft and other cases. But recently in 2017 January, he actively became part of the LET when he started first with looting of the ATMs in the South Kashmir, that was 4 in number. Then he joined LET full-fledged, and then he also carried the terror activity. He participated in the terror activities of the Lashkar-e-Toiba, and he was also present in the house when the Bashir Lashkari was gunned down by the security forces recently in the Brindit Dalgam area of the South Kashmir. As per the IGP Kashmir Munir Khan, he said that when the 17 people were taken hostage by the Bashir Lashkari, he was among the one who was rescued by the Jammu and Kashmir police, because being a non-local, the fingers were raised towards him and he was taken for a questioning and other things. When then the beams were spelled, and he accepted that he was not only involved in the 4 ATM loots that took place in the South Kashmir, but also involved in the convoy attack that took place at the Kazigund, in which one of the Jawans lost his life. Then he was also involved in the weapon snatching that took place at the guard posted at the retired Justice Muzaffar Attar in Anchidora of South Kashmir. Then again he was involved in the Feroz Dar's, who was the SHO of the Achabal. He was very much present there. He was involved in the criminal. He was involved in the militant-related activities as he fired upon the 6 policemen, including the Feroz Dar. Now the question is that after the links of the UP guy in Kashmir, the IGP said it is a big challenge for the Jammu and Kashmir to find out how many such workers are taking part in the LET activities, because they come to Kashmir as a laborer. They come to look for their they come as a daily wager, but then they take part in the activities of the LET, and now they have to find out how many are the part of the LET. And he also said now LET is taking the help of the small criminals to carry their activities. Back to you.
Yes. And perhaps this is, yes, Zeenat, absolutely. And perhaps this could be just a tip of an iceberg. When the investigations move further, it might come up that how the other terrorists from other states, in fact, are linked to the terroristic activities that are being underway in the Kashmir Valley, especially those carried out by the Lashkar cadre.